Okay, guys. So here's the key for the Acura. Really nice style key. I like it. About the same size of the cord, a little bit more squared off. So of course I have to go ahead and get a cover for it. Got these from China. Well, I mean, I got them from Amazon, but they're made in China. Very cheap. I think it was $6. You get 2 of them. These are just the silicone ones. They have so many different styles you can do. But I like doing it. You never need to take the key out of your pocket for this one. So I just like it to protect it. Even has the cutouts on the bottom if you want to put it on a keychain. Has that cutout too, so you can utilize that. The only thing you can't do, you can't take the key out of it if the cover's on it. You'd have to remove it out of the cover to actually pull the physical key out of it. So here's what that looks like inside the cover. See, it has a cutout for the A, which looks really nice. Again, you can put the key ring in there if you wanted to. And it has a little hole. You can see the light come through it too. Okay? Again, nothing exciting, but I think it's a necessity if you want to keep your key looking nice and not all dogged up in your pocket. Okay? So definitely check Amazon out. Just type up Acura TLX key fob cover, and you want the one with the 4 buttons if you got this model without the remote start. Hope everyone's doing good. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.